Hey everyone, welcome back to SKLEARNING. In today's video, we are going to know about dependency injection, which is commonly asked in interview. Dependency injection is a design pattern that's used as a technique to achieve the inversion of control IOC between the classes and their dependencies. Also, we can say that dependency injection die is a software design pattern that allows us to develop loosely coupled code. .NET Core comes with a built-in dependency injection framework that makes configured services available throughout the application. You can configure the services inside the configure services method as below. Services at scope. Next question related to die. Types of dependency injection. Dependency injection can be done in various ways. Below are the ways dependency injection can be done. 1. Constructor injection. 2. Property injection. 3. Method injection. Dependency injection can be achieved with the help of any one of these injections. Next question are: what is dependency inversion principle? The dependency inversion principle states that a high-level class must not depend upon a lower-level class. They must both depend upon abstractions. And secondly, an abstraction must not depend upon details, but the details must depend upon abstractions. Check the below diagram for reference, and one way to resolve this is to use dependency injection, where the lower level class will be injected in the higher level class.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to SKLEARNING for more informative content.